Okay, let's estimate this dent. What's up guys, Mike here with Dentmate, invoicing and estimating software. Today I'm going to show you how to write a large dent in our software app. Okay guys, this is the 2018 Jeep Compass. I've already removed the taillight, so let's get out a tape measure. You can also use a price guide to measure with. It comes out to about roughly 3 inches and it is in the body line. Alright, let's get our mobile device out and use our Dentmate app to estimate this dent. Okay, let's open up our Dentmate app. Let's hit our retail estimate and let's walk over to the vehicle's barcode and scan the VIN. Scan the VIN. There we go. Okay guys, now that we've scanned the VIN, we have our vehicle information. We also have to manually put what color it is down. So we'll click that. We'll go back to our retail information. We're going to go to contacts. We're going to go down to Joe Blow's Body Shop. That's who this estimate is for. Click that. We're going to go back to our retail information. We're going to go to rates. Go down and change the labor rate to $50 an hour. Go back out. Now we're going to go down to dent information. We're going to click the left quarter panel. We're going to skip the hail because it's the default. We're going to go down to large dent, the button down there in the very center in the very bottom. Let's click dent. We'll click that. Now add a dent is the red button. We're going to click that. Now we've measured it 3 inches. We're going to take it to 3 inches on the plus sign there. Hit deep because it is a very deep dent. And now we're going to do our markups. We're going to go down. We're going to click our markups here. It's on the body line and also has a pronounced crown. We'll click those to add to our estimate. Make sure, we'll check everything, make sure we leave nothing out of it. So we're going to go back. Now we're going to click the tail light because we did take the tail light out. Okay, now that our estimate is ready, we need to send it. So go to the bottom right button, send, and click that. And it brings up your email screen. So we're going to send that to Joe Blow's Body Shop. Okay, now that we've got our dent repaired, we'll check it out. Everything came out nice on it. So now we are ready to get a bill sent. So Alright guys, let's send this. Click the top right button, estimate. Let's change it to invoice build. And we're going to check real quick and make sure there are discounts in there. It's at 10%, so that's correct. Go back out and then hit the bottom right, hit send. And that'll bring up an email screen with the invoice. So let's send this, and that's all you got to do. Okay guys, so that concludes our estimate on this vehicle. How to use the large dent section in the app. If you're looking for invoicing and estimating software, go to dentmatepro.com and sign up for your 30-day free trial. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.